Stop doing everything else, let's talk about sneezing with your eyes open. Spoiler, you can't. When you sneeze, your body goes into full defense mode. Your eyes shutting is a reflex to protect your peepers from flying debris. Thank you, body. Here's the deal. Sneezing creates a blast of air up to 100 miles per hour. If your eyes stayed open, they'd be like, whoa, too much. Plus, sneezing triggers the same part of the brain that blinks your eyes. So next time someone dares you to sneeze with your eyes open, just say, challenge accepted, not. Your body's got your back and your eyes covered. Thanks, evolution. Want more fun facts? Hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing science.